My lord, one thing, my lord.
Motion.
Not
Assisted motion, new motion, whatever may be, just hand over the.
is on the list, my lord. My lord,
Wait, sir, wait. Here you. Yes.
my lord. My lord, this matter is appearing as item number 360.
Upgradation.
My lord, upgradation.
Sorry.
My lord, kindly hear my
Whatever may be the urgency, I can.
kindly hear my urgency, my lord. Thereafter, my lord will decide, my lord,
Very
to allow. My lord, kindly see, my lord, I am the patta holder of the land. My lord, without annulment of my patta, without any, my lord, acquisition proceedings, my lord, what they have done, my lord, they have fixed this, my lord, board on my land. It's an harvesting land. My lord, I could not harvest my land.
What is that holding? It is not visible from here.
On my land, just my lord, adjoining the national highway. Now this bus stand will, they are saying, my lord, that a bus stand will be constructed along with certain other, my lord, developments.
So it has been hanged in your
My land.
on your land.
Yes.
What is the item number?
364.
আরে ক্যালেন্ডারটা আমি দেখবো কি করে একটু সরান না এইখানে রাখুন এখানে আমার উকিল ওদের মুখ দেখা যাবে না এইখানে রাখুন আমরা কোনটা আগে নিই ফিক্স মোশন না লিস্টেড মোশন
But I
বললাম June 25 under the heading fixed motion.
May I be permitted to mention, my lord, this matter is on the list, my lord, item number 3. My lord, before filing, my lord, it is mentioned due to urgency or my lord, that application unlisted. My lord, your lordship directed to file and mention. My lord, it is filed.
What is
And
the
my lord,
urgency?
urgency is this, my lord. Irrigation and waterways department is, my lord, digging the, my lord, canal. And my lord, without due process of law, my land is also, my lord.
It will be taken care of. It will be taken care of. No urgency.
With
No,
my, my lord.
sorry, yes, madam.
With my land, my lord.
Madam,
My interest will be infringed, my lord.
I understand. Wait.
Lad,
So I'm praying for
lad, my junior is there to seek leave. I have been served with a notice by which I have been directed by the port authority to demolish the embankment that I have constructed. Lad. That is my land is not at the river bank. Lad. Embankment is the state subject. Port trust has nothing to do with my embankment. Lad. Now, lad, due to erosion, I have lost a portion of my land already. Lad. To stop erosion, I have constructed that embankment. Now, they have directed me to demolish that embankment by 26. That's the urgency. Can I take up any day prior to 26?
On which river?
That is
Which river?
Hooghly.
At
Hooghly river. That is within Shamaprasad Port Trust area.
what they have done?
They have served with a notice directing me to demolish the embankment that I have constructed. No doubt.
So no, only notice has been served. Notice has been served.
Notice has been served to demolish within 26.
Where
That's
is the urgency? They are not coming for demolition.
They have directed me to demolish by 26. Unless I demolish it by 26, they will demolish it. That's the urgency. If it is demolished, I have already lost my land due to erosion.
They will demolish after serving a notice again. All on a sudden, they will not demolish.
They will demolish. They will demolish unless
under extreme compulsion.
paragraph lordship.
Sorry.
My lord, under extreme compulsion, my lord, I am praying leave of your lordship. Petitioners under
What is the matter of taking
My lord-
case? I will make all the cases heap.
my lord, petitioner under threat of demolition, though appeal has been my lord, kindly consider.
No, sir.
My lord,
No upgrade, sir.
though appeal is
From
pending
tomorrow-
before that.
From tomorrow, an indication the other list. No prayer for upgradation will be entertained.
With Malas,
My lord, not I am praying only
No,
for
no,
leave.
no, Go and file.
My lord, in the meantime,
Correction, just hand over the-
with Malas,
demolition will
kindly,
be
my lord, may I
effected.
mention a matter for inclusion in Malas list. My lord, I
Grateful
indicate the
day.
urgency. There is a lease deed in my favor.
hand over the SIP, it will be included.
New motion for inclusion, your
And
lordship.
motion, new motion, hand over the
It convenient to my lord, my lord. Grateful, my lord.
Subject to your lordship, kind sanction, may I mention
Don't request for upgradation, madam.
for release for your lordship betterment. This is belong to group 5. I mentioned this matter before your lordship, and your lordship directed me to appear tomorrow, as to be mentioned, but did not appear as yet.
এটা তো ম্যাডাম মেনশন করেছিলেন কি হলো আসছে না কেন?
I told your lordship, 95 of monthly list, 9th of June.
May I have lordship's kind leave to mention one writ application of 2007, my lord, for hearing, my lord. Let the matter appear in the list.
Yes. Hearing matter just give. Call the list.
May I be allowed to mention one matter, Your Lordship? The matter yet not been listed, but supposed to be listed on Your Lordship on the last month prior to vacation, Your Lordship. The urgency is that, Your Lordship.
Motion.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hand over the seat.
Yes, Your Lordship.
If it is not listed within a week, you mention again.
Yes, sir. Your Lordship, some urgency is there, Your Lordship. Petitioner.
Everybody has urgency, which is why I'm here.
Yes, Your Lordship. But Your Lordship, the notice was issued by the Your Lordship.
If there has been
police,
hand over the seat, I cannot upgrade. If I upgrade you, another person will be deprived.
But
Sorry.
under the compelling circumstances, Your Lordship.
Everybody has a compelling
The
circumstance.
FIR has been registered by the police, Your Lordship.
Try to visualize the predicament of the court also. Call the list. List means it is again for correction.
Yes, ma'am. Not much. We have already done my.
You are for?
I'm for the state. We have already done 4-5, our number,
No.
yesterday.
6654 of 2025 you appeared.
No. I'm 4-5 up here. Mr. Mukherjee.
না, আজকে কেউ যখন নেই তাহলে শুধু সিরিয়াল নাম্বারটা চেঞ্জ করে দিই। The matter yes.
My lord, this has come at our instance, my lord. I am for the petitioner with Mr. Shumon Banerjee, my lord.
Why Mr. Basu, you are in virtual mode, sir?
My lord, the highest court of the state, I cannot conceal, my lord. I am in the tribunal.
You are sitting in tribunal, you are doing the case in High Court of Calcutta. Yes, very good.
My lord, I
Give me a second.
moved-
Give me a
yes.
second. Yes, Mr. Vasu. You are not audible, sir. Yes.
My lord, may I seek my lord's kind leave to file a supplementary affidavit incorporating certain important facts which were not brought before your lordship's court on
Has
the
it
day, my
been-
lord.
Has it been previous copy of which has been served upon Mr.
My junior,
Bandyopadhyay?
yes, yes, yes,
Take down. Give it.
yes.
No,
Now, my
no.
lord,
Yes, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
my lord, your lordship's order dated 22nd May, my lord, elucidates, my lord, the entire facts, my lord, that had taken, my lord, prior to the filing of the writ petition. Certain dates are important to be noted. 19th May, the writ petition was affirmed and leave was granted, my lord, and accordingly, the learned GP office was, my lord, served with the notice intimating, my lord, such factum of leave. 20th May, the concerned BLLRO, my lord, was served with the copy of the writ petition as well as, my lord, with the note accompanied by the notice intimating that your lordship would be taking up on 22nd May. 22nd May leave was granted, I mentioned, and, my lord, the matter was fixed at 3 p.m. Such factum of your lordship's observation was duly intimated, my lord, to the officer concerned. Now, what happened? The first hearing was taken place, my lord, in 14th May. 19th May was the date, my lord, when, my lord, since I appeared, I sought for leave and the leave was granted, my lord. Accordingly, it was presumed and anticipated that one adjournment could be granted by the BLRO for securing compliance of the natural justice. The BLRO, on the contrary, my lord, moved with an ultrasonic speed and undue haste and thereby concluded the proceeding, my lord, on 20th May 2025. And such fact of, my lord, conclusion of the proceeding was not intimated to the possibly to the learned advocates representing the respondent, my lord,
Review
and as such,
review proceeding has been concluded.
concluded. And, my lord, and I
Just
have
a
a
minute,
strong...
just a minute. Will you please repeat once again? When leave was granted?
19th May 2025.
Just a minute, sir. Leave granted on
19th May
19/5/2025. Then,
my lord, such notice was intimated to the office of the bailiff
notice served on
with on the, my lord, office of the GP, High Court, Calcutta, on the same date.
20th, my lord.
notice
Yes.
served on.
Objecting to that,
Yeah, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, you will get your chance.
My lord,
Notice served
sorry,
on-
my lord, notice served on Mr. Banerjee, kindly show me him, lordship the service, 20th
20th May.
20th May.
20th.
Affidavit service has been filed.
GP office.
Service as well as BLLR.
GP office and
As well as BLL.
PLRO office on 20th May.
Right.
Yes.
And, my lord, the 22nd May, the matter was mentioned, and your lordships was kind enough to observe that the matter will be taken up at 3 p.m.
Mentioned on 22nd May.
And my lord was kind enough to observe that the matter would be taken up at 3 p.m. Such observation was duly intimated to the parties
That was
on 22nd May.
some day you have intimated.
Yes.
Through email.
Through email.
Intimated
Through
on
email.
22/5/2025.
My
Yes.
lord.
Then
pen and kindly turns pen take page page 7 paragraph 7 of my paragraph Millard paragraph 5 of
no,
the
it was Mr. Basu, it was mentioned on 22/5/2025, probably in the at the first sitting of the court.
right.
No,
Right.
at
No, my lord.
115.
Huh?
At 115.
At
my lord.
150.
At 150.
At 150 upon prior
150.
notice, with prior notice. to
upon
the-
prior notice.
At that time, I asked you to intimate at what time it will be taken up.
3 p.m.
Intimate on Atho that it will be taken up at 3 p.m. Very
Such
good.
fact was also intimated.
Yes, it will be taken up.
Yes.
And on the same day, that is a matter was taken up for hearing.
Yes. An order was passed.
Injunction was ordered. Injunction was
Right.
granted.
Yes.
Right.
Now, what did the
Now, my
BLR
lord,
do?
Now,
What did the BLR do?
BLR, Millard, 19th May, Millard was the date for Millard hearing. Millard, I categorically stated, Millard, in paragraph 4 of the supplementary affidavit, paragraph 4 and 5 is very important. Millard, kindly takes pen, may I read for my lord?
Kindly
It is
please, Mr. Basu.
yes. Paragraph 4. It is pertinent to mention that the memo dated 5th May 2025, issued by the empowered authority under section 14(3)(a), such and such of the Act, is annexed to the petition and has been impugned therein. By virtue of the said impugned memo, the petitioner was directed to appear on 14th May 2025. The petitioner was duly represented by his authority's representative on 14th May and prayed for extension of time, whereupon the hearing was again fixed on 19th May. On the date so fixed, that is 19th May, the petitioner was affirming the instant petition and therefore inadvertently failed to appear before the respondent number 6, as the petitioner was of the village. At least one opportunity would be granted. But the authority,
Your voice broke, Mr. Basu.
Sir, kindly repeat.
Kindly, Millard, ask Mr. Banerjee to read paragraph 4 and 5.
Yes.
It is pertinent to mention that the memo dated 4th May 2025, issued by the empowered authority under section 14(t)(3)(a) of the WBLR Act and BLLRO Chhatna Bakura, is annexed at Annexure P6 to the writ petition and has been impugned therein. By virtue of the said impugned memo, the petitioner was directed to appear before the respondent number 6 on
That is the BLR.
Yes, ma'am.
BLR. Respondent number 6 is the BLR.
Yes, BLR.
Yes.
Then
The petitioner was duly represented by his authorized representative on 14th May 2025 and prayed for extension of time,
yes.
whereupon the hearing was again fixed on 19th May 2025.
Just a minute, sir. And on the said very day, leave was granted.
Yes, madam. And
Very good. Then what happened?
on the date so fixed, that is 19th May 2025, the petitioner was affirming the instant writ petition and therefore inadvertently failed to appear before the said respondent number 6. As the petitioner was of the bona fide belief that at least one opportunity would be granted by the statutory authority in the spirit of principle of natural justice.
So
But-
let us take a pause. So before the BLRO on 19th May, no one was present on your behalf.
And not prayed for my lord any adjournment.
You should ought to have been. Then very good. Thereafter what happened?
But the authority who is bent on unlawfully usurping the land of the petitioner proceeded to dispose of if the impugned review proceeding ex parte on 19th May 2025. Not only the authority decided the issue in a breakneck speed ex parte, thereby violating the principles of natural justice, but also denied the petitioner the lawful right of choice of retention. Well, the photocopy of the order passed in the impugned review proceeding by the respondent number 6 is annexed here to and marked as B. The said next page, my lord. The said order passed in the impugned review proceeding forwarded via memo dated 20th May 2025 was served upon the petitioner on 26th May 2025 during the summer vacation of the Honorable Court. Moreover, the state was duly represented on 22nd May 2025, but the said fact was deliberately not disclosed before the Honorable Court with the sole motive of making the writ petition infractuous.
When the order was passed
22nd.
on the same day.
No, my lord, 19th. 19th.
But it was
19th
communicated
order
to me on 26th.
My lord was pleased to pass the order on 22nd, but the order has been passed, my lord, earlier on 19th. On that day, they were not appeared before the
I was
BLR
informed
not
about
prayed
that
for
order
any
on
adjournment.
26th.
So what is your difficulty to send a
Yes,
send a representative before the PLR on
My lord.
19th that you are going to find?
Hey, Mr. Basu.
My lord, only one indulgence. First of all, my lord, I admit, my lord, that there is no explanation to offer that why somebody was not present before the authority when the matter was taken up.
At the same time, the authority was quite conscious of the fact that the 22nd May, my lord, this honorable court, my lord, injuncted them, and they should not have given effect. At least they should recall their order. When, my lord, after
They have not given
24
any
years,
order effect.
no, but question is, my lord, this order where is that statement? Where is the written order that in view of this 22nd May order, High Court has passed this order? The order passed on 20th May should have been stayed. Where is that? Where is that information? Written information from the BLRO? Actually, this courtesy we expect from the executive. He's a WBCS officer. He is not a child. On one day, because 2001, my lord.
Mr. Banerjee, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, the review proceeding was initiated on 2nd May.
Milord.
And it was disposed of on 19th May.
Yes, Milord.
Kindly
Why-
ask him, my lord.
why- Sir, why with so much speed, sir?
My lord, your lordship, kindly turn to the supplementary affidavit, page 14,
Huh.
order number 3. Page 14 of the supplementary affidavit. On behalf of the respondent Varun Kumar Ghotok, Dhrubajyoti Adhwat appeared before the undersigned and submitted a prayer for extension of time.
No,
Prayer is considered.
I understand,
My
sir.
lord, let me
What I'm
submit here.
saying, is it believable that why the BLRO was
My lord, let me
proceeding?
sub- My lord, what prevented them to appear before the BLRO
That question I've asked.
and request one request and a prayer for extension? They have filed this writ petition on 19 my lord, on which date my lord, this order has been passed.
16.5, so
What prevented the BLRO from communicating the fact
Why
of
you are
20?
he is directed to keep the proceeding 19 where the case is taken up for passing.
And then
order.
no copy has been served upon the bearer on that day.
Absolutely incorrect instruction. Mr. Bandyopadhyay,
you are
respect
right.
the leader.
You are right. You are
When-
misleading the court, Mr. Basu.
Yes, I respect your choice of words on English. Come on.
My lord, next
I
page.
respect your choice of words.
Next, my lord,
No, when the writ petition was affirmed,
19th, my lord. On that date, which order impugned was passed?
hearing was taken and on the same day order was
Yes,
passed.
yes. Kindly see the motive. Why BLRO is so
My
interested?
lord, affidavit portion 19 May affirmed. They
My lord,
served copy upon the.
Mr. Bandyopadhyay, kindly place the order date 16/5/2019.
Let me place my case, my lord, at my own my way. My lord, they have affirmed this affidavit, filed this writ petition on 19 May. It
Yes.
appears from the affidavit portion.
Huh.
They filed before this honorable court on 19th. Copy served upon the office of the VP on 20th. Next date, my lord. Not 2019. We received the copy on 21st. The matter was appeared on 22nd before your lordship list, item number 153. Last item number, my lord. They mentioned before you.
I understand,
my lord,
Mr.
let-
Bandyopadhyay.
Let me
but
finish, my lord.
I understand, Mr.
mentioned before your-
Bandyopadhyay, but
My lord, let,
I
let me finish, my
I
lord. Why
kindly
there's no
explain your so much proactiveness.
My
My
lord,
lord, they mentioned before your lordship 150. Your lordship was pleased to take up matter at 6 to 3 p.m. But matter was taken up after at 4:25. It was continued thereafter. Your lordship pleased to stay all the.
So
proceedings.
why I have not mentioned on 22nd May that the matter has already become
But
infractuous?
how we shall know, my lord? How we shall know?
No, Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
I appeared
Mr.
before the
Bandyopadhyay,
childish
Mr.
submission.
Bandyopadhyay,
20,
notice was served on 20th May
20th May.
in the office of the learned
GP.
on the office of the learned GP as well as in the office of the BLRO.
I don't know
Correct.
whether the office of the bearer.
You know nothing, then why are you submitting?
No, Mr. Basu,
This is
don't
not
be so
considered
harsh.
by
Don't
the-
be so harsh. I'm asking a question to Mr. Bandyopadhyay. What I'm on 20th May, notice was served at the office of the GP
Yes.
as well as the BLRO.
Well, I don't know.
Why? What? If you are so proactive, you were so proactive, you on the day of
Well,
hearing, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, let me
Well,
please
well,
try to. I'm
well.
asking you. Don't think that I'm
No,
bent
no, no,
upon to do it.
I shall see my lord, your lordship.
I'm here to.
Yes,
I'm
sir, yes.
here to assess and judge. Thereafter, I shall pass an
Well,
appropriate order,
well,
which according to me will be
Yes.
deemed fit and proper.
well,
Correct.
I'm on. I appreciate the action of your BLRO.
no, my lord.
No,
I
sir.
am not
Let-
also
let-
appreciating-
I
I am
appreciate
not appreciating his action, my lord.
appreciate the action of the BLRO that now the functionaries of the government are acting with so much speed. What I'm on, rightly or wrongly, on 19/5/2025, when BLRO passed an ex parte order, and when notice was served on 20th May 2025 upon the BLRO, what prevented your BLRO, who is really a proactive person, to make a communication to you prior to 22nd May 2025 that such and such order has been already passed, so the writ petition has
How
become
it is
infractual.
possible, my lord? How it is possible? Who is appearing? I received, my lord, the copy on 21st. I received copy on 21st. 19th, my lord, they have upon this affidavit. They have served upon, my lord, the office of the London government. I don't know whether this has been served by the PLR concerned or not. I
My lord,
21st, my lord. My lord was taken up the matter 22nd at
The
4:30 p.m.
supplementary affidavit as filed today.
Three last item.
Mr. Banerjee, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, please allow me to
But
pass
it
on.
is not my possible, my lord, to take
I
instruction,
understand.
and it is not possible for the authority to inform that the matter will be taken up by your lordship.
The supplementary affidavit as filed today on behalf of the writ petitioner is taken on record.
That's the my lord.
Stop para.
No, ठीक है. My lord, the order देना ना.
Uh, instance.
My
This
instance.
is,
And can 1 and can 2 are your application.
my lord, can 1 is my application for addition of party.
And what is can 2, ma'am?
Can 2 is the application filed by the National Highway for vacating of the interim order. And my lord, on that application also an order has been passed. My lord,
My lord, this
will
is a
find
matter,
that-
perhaps, my lord,
Wait,
if your lordship fixes it on a date,
yes,
because it's a very short thing involved. My lord, there is a plot of land
my lord,
which
may I tell,
was
my lord?
partly
you have-
belonging to,
When the last order of extension of interim order.
28th March, my lord.
Huh?
28th March.
Is expiring on June 20. Asun. The part
That is true.
30.
Sheikh Abdul Karim contempt application.
Petitioner,
Capital ID, let the file be placed first. SLP has been preferred before the Honorable Apex Court. No, it has been noted.
My instruction is that no SSP has it been.
At the time of appearing an alleged content handed over later, an SLP has been. What is the outcome of the SLP, sir?
My proposal sent to the railway board.
What is the outcome of SLP, sir?
Proposal for railway board to send to the railway board. Railway board feedback.
No SLP has been filed as yet.
No, SLB not filed kindly.
Huh?
Not filed.
What is your name? What is your name?
Pradip Kumar Das. Sent for proposal kindly, my lord. Not filed.
The railway administration has preferred an SLP before the Honorable Apex Court.
For proposal sent.
But when I pass the order in open court, you have not heard that order. Let's see last 2-3 lines of the paragraph number 1. I'm wondering whether my voice is not audible.
Send for a proposal, Kali, my lord. Send for
Have
proposal.
you got any stay?
My lord,
Have you got any stay? When the order was passed, Mr. Laidi?
my lord.
এদিকে দেখুন, এদিকে দিন আমায়। SLP has been preferred.
No, my lord.
When the order has been passed, then it will be, they'll actually issue the rule.
Instruction, Kali, my lord, board.
What do I do with the instruction? Keep it in your pocket, sir.
February 2020.
When the order was passed, Mr. Laidi,
My lord's order is at page 26. Earliest police time, Kali, my lord, last. Was passed on 20 of
8th February.
Yes.
We are in the month of June. What order has been passed?
And my lord, their appeal was dismissed.
What order has been passed, Mr. Laidi?
Yes. That is, the operative portion is at page 36, my lord.
Internal page?
Internal page, my lord, 11. Paragraph
May have the according respond directed to withdraw, revoke, or resign the impugn order other than passed by the authority and the punishment imposed by the he stands hereby cancelled. Such means respond are directed to clear all his pay and matter. Very good. What is your instruction? 22nd May. এটা হচ্ছে 18ই জুন। To allow some convenient time. Convenient time is tomorrow. Officer send a proposal by letter as with for railway board for filing SL. আসুন। Call the next matter.
But she is online, but she may be allowed to
শুনতে পাচ্ছি না কেন?